What it is, what it do, go ahead and stop what you're doing, hit that subscribe button. Before we go any further, man, you gotta hit that subscribe button, man. We gonna have some problems. Nah, I'm just playing, but right here I'm going in with my 5-0 detachable blade, setting in my first guideline, lining it up with the top of my client's eyebrow. You can also use your trimmers to set in this first guideline, but in this day and age, trimmers cost like $160, man. I ain't finna be doling my blade out putting the guideline in. I only use my trimmers for small details and lineup work. So do what you feel, I can't tell you what to do. I use this 5-0 detachable blade to keep me from spending extra money on blades. It is true that you gotta spend money to make money, but all I'm saying is I don't want y'all to have to waste money on buying multiple blades when you can invest all that money on those blades on this one tool to preserve the life of your trimmer blades. So y'all just be smart about it. I can't tell y'all how to spend y'all money. Now I'm going in with my lever open, setting in my second guideline, keeping it parallel to the first one. Now I got my lever all the way closed, knocking out that first guideline I put in with the 5-0 detachable blade. So with the lever all the way closed, I'm only coming up like halfway up that guideline. And one of the benefits of fading up is you see your stopping point. So you see where I went with the open lever all the way up, and you see that you shouldn't go any higher. That's the benefit of fading up. Another great tip to use when fading is stretching the skin with your opposite hand. This will help your clipper get in there and do its job. So as y'all know, when the clipper is in the open position, it leaves more hair on the head, versus when it's in the closed position, it cuts more hair. So keep that in mind when you're trying to erase those dark areas within your fade. Now I got that number 1 guard on there with the lever all the way open, and this will be my last guideline. Every step after this will be me detailing my fade. Once you start grabbing the number 1 guards and higher, it's best to have a comb versus a brush, because a comb is going to create that separation and lift the hair off the scalp to make it easier for your guards to fade the hair. A brush is just good for knocking the hair off the head that's been cut so you can see your progress. But you want to use a comb once you start grabbing number 1 guards and higher. Now I got the lever closed on my number 1 guard. Gonna go in and soften up this guideline because it's not gonna get this guideline completely out. Like I said in my previous tutorials, I use my whole number guards to do the guidelines, and I use my 0.5 and my 1.5 guards to do all my detail work. So when I come back through my 0.5 wall guard, I'm gonna erase that line completely out. Now I got my 0.5 wall guard on, about to start detailing this fade, aiming at any dark areas. And if the open lever is not cutting, oh man, my bad, brother. But if the open lever is not cutting, I'm gonna close the lever up on it so I can get those dark areas erased completely. It was still some dark areas still left behind with the 0.5 guard, so now I'm going in with my lever all the way open with no guard, using the corner of my blade to get those dark areas erased out completely. For real this time though. Every hair texture is different, so hopefully y'all picked up a lot of knowledge from watching this tutorial. Cause a lineup is easy, that's why I don't include the lineup in most of my tutorials. I want a quick and easy step-by-step fade tutorial for y'all to follow and apply to y'all haircuts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and y'all stay blessed. Peace.